Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the trigonometric value by using finger. Especially this trick is known as palm trick. So as the technique is known as palm trick, so we are facing our palm towards our face. So in that case, you will see all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. So in that case, you will see your little fingers represents 0 degree and the ring fingers represents 30 degree. Middle finger represents 45 degree. Point finger represents 60 degree and the thumb's fingers represents 90 degree. So by using this palm trick, we can easily find out the values of trigonometric ratio. First ones, that is for sine. The formula is under root figures below divided by 2. So how will I apply this formula? For example, if we wanted to find out sine 0 degree, that in case, so this is our 0 degree, the little fingers is always represented 0 degree. Now check fingers below these finger, how many fingers are there? So there is no finger is there, so finger is 0. So root over 0 by 2. As we know that root over 0 is 0 by 2. Anything divided by 0 is 0. So value of sine 0 degree is 0. Now the next one is sine 30 degree. So our ring finger represents sine 30 degree. So according to the formula, that is fingers below 30 degree. There is how many fingers are there? One finger, only one finger. So under root 1 divided by 2 always. So as you know that square root of 1 is 1 by 2. The value of sine 30 degree is half. Next, sine 45 degree. So this is the 45 degree. Below these fingers, how many fingers are there? 2 fingers are there. So as the formula says that under root 2 by 2, we can simplify. 2 means we can write root 2 into root 2 is 2. So if we cancel it, so you will get 1 by root 2. So value of sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Now in order to get sine 60 degree, similarly 60 degree, this point fingers represent 60 degree. Below these point fingers, the numbers of fingers are 1, 2, 3. So under root 3 by 2, this is the value of sine 60 degree. And the last one, that is sine 90 degree. Sine 90 degree is, check. This is this point, the thumb finger will represent the 90 degree. So below these thumb fingers, how many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So root over 4 divided by 2. As you know that root over 4 is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So value of the sine 90 is 1. So in that way, by using a palm trick, we can easily find out the trigonometric values for sine theta, as well as we can find out by this technique, we can easily find out the values of cos and tan theta by using this technique. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share and like it in order to get more informative videos, especially in mathematics. Thank you all.